Hey guys, welcome back. So let's just work on the remove functionality. If you just click on remove button, it has to remove our product from cart. So if I just go to my text editor and go to web.php, and then let's create a new route, and this time we'll call this delete method. Okay, and then cart remove and then product, for example. And of course we'll use the front end folder, and then the cart controller, and this time we'll use the destroy method. Okay, copy this method and let's just create it. And if you just die and dump this ID, okay, and if you just go to blade and let's just go to remove. Okay, this is now simple anchor link. We need to make it form, okay, in order to work. So first we need to create form here, and then inside form, yeah, this should be button, and we just remove the anchor tag from here, the href attribute, and then instead we'll paste the submit button, right? The action would be URL cart remove, okay, let's just make it make a route for it, name cart or destroy. That would be good. And yeah, we will use the route cart or destroy, and then the item row ID, we'll use the row ID in this case. Okay, and yeah, the method would be post, and yeah, CSRF is included, and then we are using a route delete method. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click and check what's going on, what happens. There we go, we are just getting the row ID here. That means we are on right path. So let's just make this btn this link, and btn link dark. Basically this is our custom class, so we just created our CSS file that's working. Okay, now let's go back to the controller, cart controller, and then work on the destroy method. So what we do is simply we need to say cart and then remove method we'll use, and then we need to call the ID. Okay, and then of course we'll say return redirect, of course redirect back, return redirect back, along with some message. And the message we will create, as usual, we are creating the message MSG word. Okay, and then we can say item has been removed from cart, and if you just go back to this page, yeah, the message is here, and if you just reload the page and click on remove button, and there we go, item has been removed from your cart. Okay, the remove functionality is working, and if you just click again on remove cart, there we go, and we are not seeing whole the file. That means there's no item in our cart. Yeah, what if you just go back where our if and if, and we say else, and then we can say and if, and we can say here, for example, there is no item in your cart. So let's just reload the page. There we go, and then we can also create a new HR here. There we go. Now I think it looks good. There's no item in your cart, or your cart is empty at the moment, right? That's good. And then we can also create I think we just need to create this button. We just need this button here because we have a chance to go to shop and then add a new product, right? And again, go to cart that has one product. There we go, remove. Okay, that's nice. Now the next video will work on the if you just add a product. Let me just give you an example. Now let's just work on the save for letter. If we just click on save for letter, that will become into this table, right? Let's just work on that functionality in the next video.